Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Tinder with your phone number. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that should never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser in the URL box, type in Tinder.com. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official website of Tinder. Go and click on the login button at the top right corner, which will bring out a pop-up menu. You can log into your account with your Google, Facebook, and with your phone number. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in with your phone number. Click on Login with Phone Number option from the pop-up. Completed verification by clicking on Verify. Complete the puzzle. Pick the dice pair with the same icon facing up and complete the rest of the task. Once the verification is completed, and your phone number on the next pop-up. First, select your country from the drop-down and then type in your phone number. After you're done, click on Continue and you will receive the verification code sent to your mobile number. Type in the code and click on Continue and your email address in the next pop-up. Make sure to enter the correct one that is associated with your Tinder account. Click Continue one more time and you'll be logged into your Tinder account with their phone number. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.